actually working on this line. Those jumps look immaculate on the left and right. It's like, holy cow. Wow. But I just totally flew over these a little while ago. Oh yeah! Clear them all, clear them all, clear them all! Oh yeah! Alright. That was the green line. Big hair. Pumping a little bit. He actually does the last piece too, which I've never seen anybody do. He rides the wall. Wow. Well, greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm at Cottage Grove Bike Park. And this is the kitty, little tiny kids thing. So today is July 4th. And in 1996, my dad died on July 4th. So I always try to go biking on July 4th in his memory. And you'd probably think I was crazy if you saw where I was biking today. I was planning on doing some trails today. But, I might go up, depending on what the weather's like. So I just heard thunder, so I better keep my butt moving. Okay, I'll do this one more time. And then I'm going to do the other blue.
Unfortunately, my stay here on the 4th was very brief, as it did start to rain just as I was loading up my bike for the day, so I had to make a return trip. However,
these clouds, they look really weird. It's like puffy, and then there's like a river going through the clouds. Hopefully it won't rain.
On a previous trip to Cottage Grove Bike Park, I'd actually cleared most of the tables already. I was just rounding things out and practicing and seeing what was new here.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, I think I got it! Oh, I'm so close! Woo! This one scared me a little bit. But I got the first two. Oh wow. That felt really good. Let's clear them. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, I cleared it, I think. Wow! I'm not sure about the second one. Wow! Oh, I feel really good right now about this bike.
Well, I decided to call it that I cleared that second table. It's one of the few jumps I'm not absolutely positive that I completely cleared. Anyways, onward I rode.
Whoa! That was a little over clear. I'm actually clear. I'm clearing them.
I realized as well, too, that I needed to walk some of these lines and look at them and see if they are actually tabletops or step-ups.
So really quickly, these are tabletops here. And I've been able to clear these. Over here, I'm going to count these as tabletops too. I've actually cleared both of these on the pivot. I've done the whole line once on the pivot. That last one, not so much. So that's kind of it. It's kind of the status at this point. I don't think tabletops anymore here. I get a lot of clunky noises because I have my full face on. This is a step up. It's like way higher. I've never been able to do that. But you can see it's pretty eroded and overgrown. So I'm not sure how I feel about anything here other than the main lines. Guy's doing the big line. As you can see it, he is getting monster air. Oh, nice bail. Guy's doing the whale tail.
And if nothing else, it's always fun to watch other pro riders riding some of the big stuff and wonder, can I actually do that someday?
Pumping a little bit. Well, greetings, people, folks, and space aliens. Here we are at Cottage Grove Bike Park. Haven't been here officially in a while. Let's see if there's anything new. So if you've never been here before, this is the kiddie area right here, one of them. You got a little skinny, easy turn, and a little wooden feature. And then ahead of me, of course, is the main park. We'll get up there in a second. I'm going to go left, up this way, and look at this thing. This is new. put in about a year ago, maybe a little bit more. They do not allow motorized trucks here, but they do allow broken skateboards. See, there's a broken skateboard right there. So this is a great place to practice berms and flow. I like to just kind of go into one of these. You just kind of play around. If you're lucky, you can get some air off of that. Actually, I can see myself getting air off a lot of these. This gap, you really have to crank for it though. Yeah. So this other part is, this is the other kids thing. Boy, it's really washed out here. This is a blue line. I don't think there's really any jumps here. Got a little bit of washboard right here. But it's kind of fun stuff to practice on, if nothing else. And then behind this, there's some features around. You got some wooden features to do. A little drop, which is actually kind of hard to do. A little farther up. So you've got green, blue, and the two black lines coming out. We're going to take a look at them here in a second. It looks like they're doing some work. Here's the drops. These drops are like super easy, I think. That big one is a little bit of a challenge. And of course, you've all seen the whale tail. There's the whale tail. Shunk, shunk. That's what you do. I was kind of hoping somebody would have weed backed here. This is the big line. I think I've got all these. It's the middle one that gets me. But this is an easy tabletop. And then, of course, there's green, blue, and then the gaps. Really, really big gaps. This is the entrance. Holy cow. Yeah, it's like really eroded away. This place is usually well maintained, but not today. This is actually open right now. This is one of the gaps. I'd like to try to do that sometime. This is other gaps. I mean, they're pretty substantial. Look at that. Look at that. You crash. I would probably crash. Now look at the gap. Now I'm going to warm up on the green. Oh yeah! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Clear them all. Oh! First try. Got them all. Oh, this is super washed out. Wow, it's like super overgrown. Oh my gosh. Oh, that totally sucks. Wow. You can't even see stuff. So I got the old harness on. Let's see what that looks like comparatively. This track here is so overgrown. I'm pretty sure I got these, so I'm going to say I got them. It was very, 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 very marginal. I still think I could probably get a better shot of that. But I'm going to do the blue line a couple more times My back is just being so stupid. If it's on my back, it's my chest or my wrist. My wrist is actually a lot better. It's just like I can't win with anything this year. But I will get this. So this is actually a step up. That's why I can't get it. That's a step up as well. These were all step ups at one point in time, but the first two are more tables now. Come on. Oh! Oh! So close! Ah! I almost cleared the whole line for the second time in my life. Ah! Alright, so here's the drops. I decided I'm going to do both drops. There's a big one here in a second. That's easy. Now we'll do the big one. Discovered a completely illegal line here. I'm gonna try to go for it. I kind of wonder if you could side drop some of these drops. Go off the side of them.
Perhaps next year we'll explore some of these so-called illegal lines and how I'm building myself up to some of the bigger features here. I'm getting closer, but not quite there yet. Still having a lot of fun.
Oh, that was the best run I've had. Getting closer. You guys didn't see that. That was totally illegal. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Cottage Grove blunders. I'm pretty gosh darn sure that I got all the jumps on that blue line, but not consecutively. I'll have to look at the videos. I definitely added that last tabletop to my tally, I think. So I'm pretty sure I'm at about 80 tabletops now, which is pretty freaking awesome. I'm signing out, and I don't know if I'm going to go anywhere else. Oh yeah. No, oh no, see, it's hard to get that angle for that one. But those are immaculate. I'm just clearing them like no problem. One more round.